You're stuck. But it's not because you're bad at this. It's because there's things about you, your process, that you don't see yet. When you know these things, you know your purpose. And when you know your purpose, making videos and growing a business gets so much easier. And most creators get lost here. I did too. Until one video based on this idea made me 25 grand. So let's slow it down, look at this together, and find out what you've been missing. Once you actually use this system, everything starts to click. Your message, your ideas, your direction, it all becomes clear. But if you skip it, you'll just stay stuck guessing every single step. If you want to follow along, make sure you download Ramp OS. The transformation worksheet is inside. It's a system we're using to help you find your purpose super quick, first thing below. And it's free. All right, so let's go over this together. I'm gonna show you how to fill out the transformation worksheet, and by the end of the video, you'll know the change that you create, how you create it, and why your content has been so hard to plan until now. Okay, so the transformation promise. This is the first step. Most people skip it. You can't. Right now, you help people move from one place to another. You might not know how to say it yet, but that's exactly what you do. You help people change. So the worksheet starts with this line. I help people go from blank to blank. And when you fill this in, everything will start to become clear. Think of it like a map. If you don't know where the start and the finish line is, you can't lead anybody, including you. So this one line is gonna help you turn that light on. So take a moment and don't overthink it. Just be honest with yourself. What can you actually help somebody with? For example, mine would be, I help people go from just views on YouTube to making money from YouTube. Now that you got your change, let's break it into steps. The big stages. Your process is just a few simple steps. Change happens over time, not all at once. So in this worksheet, it helps you break your full process into stages. And these are the stages that somebody has to go through in order for you to complete the process and get them that change. So if you're a fitness coach, those stages might look something like this. Stage 1, build simple habits. Stage 2, learn good form and technique. Stage 3, follow a workout plan. Stage 4, track progress and adjust. And that's it. These are the big steps somebody takes to get the results. And everybody's stages are gonna look different. That's what makes it so unique. That's why everybody's selling something different. Even if me and you help somebody with the same thing, our process may look completely different. So you just need to get your stages out in front of you and make it super clear. As long as it makes sense, you're good. Now that you've got your stages, let's zoom into one stage so you can see exactly how this works. Each big stage has mini skills inside it. These skills show you exactly what you teach and what it takes to complete the big stage. So let's stay with the fitness example and zoom into the mini skills. We'll zoom into stage 1, build simple habits. And the mini skills here could be setting up a daily step goal, planning 3 easy meals, drinking enough water, getting to bed on time, keeping a simple morning routine. And each mini skill is a video idea in itself. And each one moves the viewer forward in your process and helps them complete that big stage. So to find your mini skill, you need to ask yourself a couple of questions. What do they actually need to learn here? What mistakes do they usually make? And what is the simple fix? Answer these and your content actually starts to write itself as well. Now that you've got your mini skills, let's look at where people actually get stuck. Sticking points. Every stage has places where people hit a wall. This is where they'll stop and they'll probably feel lost. So let's look at this in our example on stage 1. Some of the sticking points might be trying to change way too much at once, or missing a day and then just completely falling off, or maybe not knowing which habit to pick up first. Now, a simple fix for some of these would just be start with one easy habit and just build from there. So these sticking points are actually gold for you. They show you exactly what you need to teach because they show you what people are going to struggle with the most. And when you can name their problem better than they can, that's when they'll start to trust you. So let's actually build this into your own method so that you have a blueprint people can follow. Your method. This is where you turn this whole process and make it your own. So the way I've designed this worksheet is gonna help you name your method and list all the steps out. And by doing this, it's gonna help you stand out and it's gonna give you your own process. You're gonna have complete clarity on this and you'll be able to really help someone. Simple ideas feel super strong when you put them into a clear method. And a method becomes something that you can teach, sell, and build a brand on. You go from this random creator to the person with a system. You can name your method something super simple, something like the starter formula or the blueprint or the clarity path. Pick something unique, pick something that actually suits you. Try not to just be a cliche guru with a system. Nothing fancy, just keep it clear, keep it simple, because once you actually give it a name, people will start to trust you way more. Now that you've got your system, you've got all your stages and your mini skills, this is gonna help you massively when it comes to creating content. Let me show you how this works with the content map. This is your unlimited content system. Each stage gives you 5 different content angles: a tutorial, a mindset fix, a mistake to avoid, a tool to help, and a story that they can learn from. You can turn this into shorts, long form, email, however you decide to use it. It's a content system that is built to last you forever. The more you fill this out and the more you keep updating it when your system evolves, the easier everything becomes. You should literally never run out of ideas. I don't want to hear anybody saying I've got 0 video ideas. You'll always know what to post and why you post it, because if you're building a business, you should know exactly how you help somebody. And when you know how you help somebody, you know know the problems that they have, you know the best things to use, so you've always got content ideas. You don't actually run out of ideas, you just run out of clarity. And filling this worksheet in just brings that clarity back. Now let's recap this whole transformation. Now you know the change that you help people make, the stages of your process, the skills they need to complete each stage, where they usually get stuck and the things that they can do to unstick themselves, your signature method, and a full content map so that they never run out of ideas. This is your message. This is your niche, your purpose, your clarity, and it's all in one sheet. Once you fill this out, you should feel super clear now. You should see your message in a completely new way. If you didn't download the worksheet at the start of the video, go get it. It's free and it's the first link in the description. If you know somebody that needs this, send them this video. And if you're listening to this whilst you're doing something else, make sure you save it so that you can grab that worksheet later on. Keep going. Honestly, you're closer than you think. Just don't give up. And when you're ready for the next step, you need to learn the real reason that nobody's watching your videos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly who you help at the start of stage 1. It'll show you who your viewer is at stage 1 of this whole path, and it's going to help you pass the secret YouTube test that everybody keeps failing. The #1 reason why your videos get no views. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in that video.